on and on.
Like a Bosch,
Making sure it lasts long.
like a Bosch.
Live sustainable like a Bosch. With durable household solutions that work stronger for longer. From Bosch.
Does it bother you when the oven door closes very suddenly and makes a disturbing noise? Not anymore. Thanks to the soft close in your Bosch oven, you can push the door and the door shuts itself gently back into place. Soft close, with the help of a special damping mechanism, prevents the oven door from slamming shut. It stops the door just before closing and then shuts itself gently and quietly. This prevents a disturbing shutting noise and guarantees a longer lifespan for both your oven and your oven door. This is soft close for shutting your oven door quietly and gently every time. Bosch. Invented for life.